Oga Adogbo's dry gin is officially on the list of things I'll stop buying to keep at home. That shit's delicious, fam. Macandum. And on that topic, from today, I'm done with toothpaste, man. Chewing stick man henceforth. My body, in combination with my brain, is rebelling against toothpaste. I can feel it on my heart. I can almost feel it giving me fucking Alzheimer's in my brain. So I'm done, fam. So no vex. I'm done. Chewing stick man henceforth. Being that I'm just starting, I'm skeptical of chewing stick's efficacy. For now, right? So if my mouth is anything less than fresh, let me know. I won't feel bad. I won't take it badly. We all need feedback to grow, innit? Maybe I'll just fuck around and compound something I like. I'm sure YouTube has guides on that. Check my pin post for my music investment offer. Come and invest in the music right now that is still cheap, that the price is still, that the boy stock has not gone ballistic. Come invest now. Thanks for streaming Holy as music, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, guys.